Thank you and congratulations. Asante sana. God bless you. You may be seated. I want to invite Koinange back so that he can tell us what to do next.
You're right.
But I must admit that as we were sitting there and talking with Madam Hope and the Secretary General Comesa, we said whoever identified the band was very conscious of something. Because it really takes us back to those good years. Well done. And pongeza.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Makofi for chief guest, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, a.k.a. Madividi. Can I speak from his podium? I want to speak from his... I'm sorry, no, I'm sorry. I'm kidding. Oini yangu? Oh, Stucky. Come on, man. I mean, how do you compare this podium to that podium? I guess you gotta be my DVD for that. So, folks, before we get to the dancing stage, there's some awards we want to give for some folks who have really done well for ZEPRI. And it's like some lifetime achievement awards and a couple of things which we'd like you to indulge us in. So please, I'd like to ask Miriam Magala, the company secretary of ZEPRI. Miriam, where are you? Don't hide. Where are you, Miriam? Because you know, Miriam, where are you? Are you there? Give Miriam a round of applause. She's very shy. She's extremely shy. Miriam, you can walk us through these folks that you all know that deserve all these awards, okay? Miriam